Hey, Chloe. Mama. What is doing? Let's go do. Oh. Chloe, come here. Come on, Chloe. I don't know if I'm in focus or not. I'm not used to filming on this camera. Scooby. Oh. Come here, Chloe. What's doing? Come here, Scooby. But it's always strange being off on a Monday. It means I got the rest of the week to look forward to. Great. Chloe, come here. Come on. Come here. I don't have my shoes on now. Come here. Chloe, stop. Chloe, stop it. Come on. Chloe, stop. You don't hear me calling you? Yeah. Come on, Scooby. Don't listen for shit. Why's the ground so cold in some spots? That's weird.